Morning.
Who's that?
You.
Oh, hi.
Sitting down, I saw you this
farm.
morning feeding hay. I saw you feeding hay to the horses, but that's old hay. I'm gonna bring you.
They were kind of happy.
Yeah, they were.
What's that horse's name there inside the stall that I was talking to?
That was Noah. Here
Noah?
comes Whiskey to say hi.
Hello.
Remember, this one is a blind horse.
Hi, Whiskey. Hi, Whiskey. Come on over. Come on over. You smell me? Do you smell me? Yeah. I'm Aunt Biddy. Come on over.
He likes you. The animals like you, Aunt Liddy.
Because they know I like them.
Yeah. Aw, Whiskey. Look here, they all come, Aunt Liddy. They're coming to see you.
Hey, Whiskey. Hey, Whiskey, I'm gonna get some coffee. I'm not gonna share it with you, though. Okay? I don't think horses should drink coffee. Come here. Come over a little bit more, okay? Come over a little bit more. A little bit. There you go. There you go. Hey, 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 hey. Oh.
You're the horse whisperer, Aunt Biddy.
Come here.
You're the horse whisperer.
Come here. Let me rub it. Let me rub it. Let me rub it. Let me rub it. Okay, you don't have to.